all the people who feel safe when they see them face and the one who love and the mask still a glow, you know. Rastafari. Listen to the skunky reggae rhythm. We love music, we no kidding. We puffing and we chilling while them speaker keep on singing. On the mic we been spitting and feel like we been dreaming. Boom! Listen to the vibes that we bringing. Oh, like this sunshine, they light up your day. Oh, this smile of a stranger who's not afraid. See them not know, but kindness repay. And so we keep on playing, we keep on playing. Because I will be safe again when reggae music I go play. I will be safe from them. Why yo, I will be safe again when Jaja music I go play. I will be safe from them. Why yo. So if you have to set it free is the only way. This music with this rhythm take the pain away. Let my voice soothe your soul, well I mean for real. Like a hug one of those that I used to give to you. Cause if what you feel is slow, then you can say it with a song. Or you can dedicate it, no you can't fake it. You can even sing along. Now what I feel is love, and I'll say it with this song. To you it's livicated, I hope you'll sing along. We'll be safe again when reggae music I go play. Now we'll be safe from them. Why yo, I will be safe again when Jaja music I go play. Why yo. Selari sound once again, you know. Listen to the positive vibration, you know. Now take a moment to enjoy, cause we put in all ourselves in this. Feel the weight on your shoulder, be lighter each note that we sing. Now take a moment to enjoy it, cause we put in all ourselves in this. I feel the weight on your shoulder, be lighter each note that we sing. Cause we'll be safe again when reggae music I go play. Now we'll be safe from them. Why yo, cause we'll be safe again when Jaja music I go play. Why yo. Alright. So this one is for all the people who works for the better world, you know. For everyone, for us, for every living thing on earth. Just feel the positive vibration. Rastafari. So we keep on playing.